Welcome to the kitchen with Kai Trump. Today, she's cooking up a storm at Garrett's new house, preparing steaks, potatoes, and broccoli for a special dinner.
Oh, wow. I'm actually really proud of myself. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So right now we're at Kroger. We're going to see Garrett's new house, and I'm going to be cooking for them tonight, and everyone's going to judge it, even my camera crew. So let's go inside and grab some steaks and like potatoes and broccoli, and I think that sounds like a good meal.
Last time you cooked for us, I couldn't even swallow my eggs.
Alright, you know what? You're fired. Get out of here. Alright, let's go and get some vegetables. We got, we got a butter based steak, so let's get some fresh garlic. I don't know if me making potatoes, I think you boil them in water, right? Yeah. Woo! I'll grab this one. Alright, now let's go and get the steak. Should I do like a side salad too?
This is where it gets tricky right here.
We'll just get some of these then, right?
Just get all of them.
Where's the regular garlic? Oh wait, garlic powder. And salt. Is there cayenne? Alright, we got it. We're good. Now just butter and we're out of here. Like a block of salted butter. Alright, we're good. Let's go and cook. What's up?
How we doing?
Alright guys, so I'm in costume for this. I used to cook a lot and I really haven't cooked in a while, so. Alright, so we got some sour cream for the mashed potatoes. I don't know why. I was just like, that might be good. And then we got some mushrooms. I got some garlic herb butter. I got a potato peeler. Then I got some thyme. Or sorry, this is rosemary. Broccoli, potatoes, and then we got some cheddar cheese for the potatoes. And then we got some steak rub and some rice. Whew, it's bright. All right, so we got some pans here. What do I need the pans for? Okay, I know why I need them. And we should probably also, you can boil the potatoes in here, right?
Do you have a potato peeler, Grace?
Yeah, in the drawer right behind the fire. Nope, perfect.
There you go.
We don't need to get it all, just we need to get enough, you know? Perfect. Honestly, I'm not a potato fan, like at all. So I don't know why I chose to make these. So I always grew up helping my mom in the kitchen during Thanksgiving. And this year I didn't because I was out playing golf. But I normally help her, especially with the potatoes. But I don't know, I just totally like blanked out like on how to make mashed potatoes, but we're gonna figure that one out. We're gonna figure this out. I also used to cook all the time growing up. When I was really young, I wanted to be a chef, and then I just realized that that's probably not the best career path for me. Can you not laugh?
There's nothing better than some salty water.
Just throw these in. Okay, let's not do that. It's gonna be some good mashed potatoes. I used to like making meatballs growing up actually, and that used to be like my go-to. Like I was so good at that. Oh my god, I'm like disgusted. I'm like gonna turn vegetarian now. I really don't like this part. Oh, that's horrible.
Is that Gordon Ramsay?
How did you know? Don't look at me like that. What's up, Asher? You want some? You want some? Ow, I don't know why I touched it. Let's get some of the broccoli going. Actually, let's see if we can. I can already like feel the comments roasting me. Hold on.
What are you guys thinking so far?
Smelling pretty good.
Are you a steak guy?
I'm a steak guy.
You're a big steak guy.
I love meat.
Okay.
I love vegetables.
Okay.
I love broccoli.
Okay. I think it's looking good so far. We'll see though. It's tough to say. I mean, you can't judge a book by the cover ever. So you never know. It could look amazing, then it could come out and be absolutely terrible. I doubt that that's going to happen. I'm rooting for Kai. I think it's going to be amazing, but
I don't know. It does smell good, right? Alright. But the heat from the pan really burns. I think this looks awesome. That broccoli piece was not cooked. That was not cooked at all. I just been to like a raw broccoli piece. Oh my god, look at this. Okay, I think I'm gonna dump that in here and strain the potatoes. Do you have any the mints? You know, like the mitts, so you don't like touch like oven mitts. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm actually so proud of myself right now. Oh my god, I forgot about the broccoli. I forgot about the broccoli. No, no. Yeah, let's put more butter. This is my herb butter. What is this? Yeah, it's my herb butter. You want to come over here and look at this? Come here. You can't tell me that does not look good.
It looks amazing.
Right? Oh my god, my mom's gonna be so proud of me. I thought they were gonna be better.
What do they need?
They don't taste like anything. Do you like garlic?
I do.
All right, perfect.
Yeah.
Just put a little of that in
I
there.
don't like actual garlic cloves, but I like that.
Okay.
That's good right there.
Like I'm actually surprised how like the mashed potatoes came out.
They're good? I love
Like really, they taste good. They just like the consistency's pretty good too. I just gotta add a little more seasoning.
See, I made pasta back when I was a kid. It's about all I ever made.
Butter noodles.
Yeah, butter noodles really good. It's about as far as I could take my cooking skills, though.
So this one I guess will be mine. I'll just cut it up and put it in the pan.
A little butterfly action.
Yeah, it cooks easier too, like when it's not like a full steak. Oh, you know. This one's 127.
What were you shooting for, 125?
No, I think 140. 121. Oh, that one's way done. You see the vision?
All right.
All right. You cannot tell me that does not look good.
This looks really good, I gotta say.
You might have cooked.
I'm actually really proud of myself.
Look at her cracking that smile.
Right?
It looks professional.
That's what I told her. I said it legit looks professionally done.
Yeah, it does.
Get your, pass down your forks. Like that looks good.
It's good
No,
color.
you should be proud.
It's
It
good
looks
color.
amazing.
It's good color.
First impressions just it looks like something I would get out of a steakhouse. And I mean that. And I'm very picky, and I told you guys I would be honest, but this, like, even the comments here, get a nice view of that. Get a nice view of that, Chase. Get in there, look at that.
It is.
I know, right?
No, you should be so
Cinematic
proud.
masterpiece.
Is it cooked good?
Okay?
Looks perfect. It's pretty good to me. That's like literally perfect.
That's perfect. It's perfect.
First thing I notice is I like how it is the same color the whole way through.
Yeah.
When the number one thing to see about a bad steak is when you see how it's like brown, 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 little bit of pink, then brown, brown, brown. This is all pink, and we like that. That's a good thing to see. That part's very well done. Okay.
Not bad.
Yep. Yep.
That's a good piece.
Hold on.
Cut it off.
Hold on, Kai. You might have done something here. You really might have.
Kai, you killed it.
Thank you.
Where did you guys get this steak?
Kroger.
I think you did about everything you could do with a Kroger steak.
Well, they give us the ratings. What do you think your rating is?
I give it honestly like, I mean, I haven't even tried it, but the mashed potatoes were really good. The steak looks good. I mean, I'd probably say like an 8.5 probably.
I'm gonna give my reasoning behind my answer because it is very, very well done. Steak was cooked to perfection, okay? Light pink, that's how I like it. It's literally, I mean, she knows. Whenever I go, I request light pink every time. So that was good. Cooked the entire way through. I think the steak specifically, maybe it was a Kroger thing or whatever, but I think that the steak was probably just not as high quality as you know you would get at like a steakhouse, but that's not your fault. Cooked perfectly. I'm not really sure what seasoning you used, but it was very good.
Okay.
Easy to bite through, easy to cut. Mashed potatoes were very good, and I'm a big mashed potatoes guy, so that's awesome. Not a big broccoli guy. I'm going all in 8.2.
All right. Oh, I agree with that.
I'm going 9.4.
All right.
I think it's amazing. Mashed potatoes are phenomenal.
Thank you.
I don't know how you made them, but they're great. Consistency is perfect.
Thank you.
And I think I'm going the same with the steak. Is you did it perfectly, but I think if it was like a higher quality steak, it would have been
Better.
better.
Yeah.
But I think you cooked it perfectly.
Thank you.
You killed it.
It's edible.
All right.
The meal turns out beautifully, with everyone at the table enjoying the dishes and giving their honest feedback. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more tasty adventures with Kai.